In this video, I'll show you how to create these simple, sparkly cat eyes. First, take a black eyeliner pencil and trace around your lid. Bring it out to a point at the edge like an exaggerated cat eyeliner. Take any black eyeshadow and apply this over the top. Next, take some glitter liner and go over the entire shape. Try to look down into a mirror when you're doing this and give it time to dry to avoid it smudging above the crease. Next, apply some mascara to the top and bottom lashes. To finish off the look, add some cute cat ears and some cat eye lenses.